Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2025 Maserati Grecale? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Front right-hand side of the front electric motor compartment. The 2025 Maserati Grecale Folgore's front right-hand side of the electric motor compartment houses key components such as the electric motor and associated power electronics, including the inverter and control modules. This layout ensures efficient power delivery and optimal weight distribution, contributing to the vehicle's dynamic performance. Rear right-hand side of the front electric motor compartment. The 2025 Maserati Grecale Folgore's front electric motor compartment features a dual motor setup, delivering a combined 550 horsepower and 605 pound-feet of torque. This configuration ensures robust performance and efficient power distribution to the vehicle's all-wheel drive system. Boot compartment fuse boxes. The 2025 Maserati Grecale's boot compartment houses fuse boxes that manage and protect electrical circuits for various rear vehicle systems, including lighting and accessory outlets. These fuse boxes ensure the safe and efficient operation of the vehicle's electrical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.